Namaste everyone. Our day 4 of Master Your Breath Challenge. Today is very important day because today I'm going to teach you how to perfect or how to master retention, holding. You don't need to hold just straight and hold the breath. No. In breathing mastery, the important is not that more you hold, your body will become stronger. No, it doesn't work like that. Holding should be effortless. So when you learn how to hold at the end of inhalation or at the end of exhalation, you must learn before holding, your breath is so much strong that when you hold, effort is very less. Because if you hold the breath like many people do in pranayama or in breathing exercise, they inhale and then they suffer there. They push their body hard. They suffocate, but they try to hold. You know what happens with that? You lose your own energy. You lose your inner energy. So today we are going to learn the right way to hold, and I'll keep it very simple so everyone can begin today's class. So let's begin the class. Those who are joining me first time in this video, try from the day 1. Then only you can learn this technique properly and your body can be ready. We start with the 3 seconds, like a 3 count. The first 3, then 5, and then 7. So you inhale little, 1 second, take a pause. The retention, the holding, which comes in the middle of the speed. This is a technique, okay? Understand properly. For example, inhale 1, stop 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Exhale will be simply straight. No work with exhalation, okay? Just inhalation today. After a few rounds, we'll add 2, so become 5. So 1, stop, 1, stop, 1, stop, 1, stop, 1, stop. 2, 3 rounds. Then the challenging part, and there we will not push. If you can do, then only. If not, don't. Because when you pause, it means what is happening? You are extending the time. The breath is inside. So 7 becomes twice 14. Okay? That's why we don't push. Only those who are regularly practicing pranayama and the breathing exercise have joined my course, Pran Arambh. There you learn all the technique, master your breathing properly. Link in description. Those who didn't join yet, you must join this course so you can learn the proper breathing technique with a deep explanation. Sit straight, any comfortable position like you are using. Hands are simply on your thighs, on your knees. This time hands will be up like this, because the moment you rotate your hands, the chest becomes a little relaxed and open. So it will be easier for you. Close your eyes. Back is straight. Take deep inhale and exhale mouth. Let's do one more time. Deep inhale and exhale and release. Okay, now let's begin. 3 seconds with a pause. Start inhaling. 1, stop. 1, stop. 1, stop. Exhale straight with the mouth. Inhale. 1, stop. 1, stop. 1, stop. Exhale. Inhale. 1, stop. 2, stop. 3, stop. Exhale. 1, stop. 2, stop. 3, stop. Exhale. Inhale. 1, stop. 2, stop. 3, stop. Exhale. Again, inhale. 1, stop. 2, stop. 3, stop. Exhale. Relax. If you feel your chest is heavy, your belly is heavy, to release this heaviness before you begin the 5 number, you take a deep inhale and release with the mouth. Now get ready. Number 5. So 5 pauses. Complete exhale. Now start. Inhale, stop. 2, stop. 3, stop. 4, stop. 5, stop. Exhale, complete. Inhale, 1, pause. 2, pause. 3, pause. 4, pause. 5, pause. Exhale. 1, pause. 2, pause. 3, pause. 4, keep going. Pause. 5, pause. Exhale. Inhale, 1, pause. 2, pause. 3, pause. 4, pause. 5, pause. Exhale. Relax. 7. Let's try. Complete exhale, everyone. Start. Inhale, pause. 2, pause. 3, pause. 4, pause. 5, pause. 6, pause. 7, pause. Exhale. Let your exhale go fast if it wants to go. Don't control. Inhale, 1, pause. 2, pause. 3, pause. 4, pause. 5, pause. 6, pause. 7, pause. Exhale. Continue. 2 more. Those who want to choose the previous number, continue with the previous number. Choose 5, choose 3, but keep doing. I'm giving you 2-3 minutes for yourself to choose one number and practice. Stay focused, stay alert and aware, stay disciplined and patient. Remember, in any technique, you don't squeeze your belly. Your chest is fully relaxed. The last breath. Exhale. And relax, everyone. Come back to natural breath flow. Bring the attention to your nostrils. If you feel your chest is heavy, your belly is heavy, take a deep inhale and exhale, release. Palms together. Rub your palm. Massage a little bit to your eyes, to your forehead, to your ears, and then from top head all the way down, we touch every part of the body. Slowly open your eyes. Namaste. So, that was a powerful breath today. Try this, go slow. We are not here to compete with anyone. Go systematically, master the previous techniques also time to time, and then do this one. Don't choose the higher number. Choose the lower one, but stay consistent. Try this, and I'll see you again tomorrow for the next video. Namaste.